Welcome to the MarketProvider channel. Today we'll break down PIM MarketProvider in just 2 minutes. PIM MarketProvider is a product information management platform. It helps businesses centralize, manage, and distribute product data across all sales and marketing channels, from online stores to marketplaces, catalogs, and more. Here's why businesses choose MarketProvider. Centralized product data. No more scattered files or outdated spreadsheets. Omnichannel publishing. Push your content to any platform instantly. Faster time to market. Automate tasks and speed up product launches. High data quality. Validate, enrich, and standardize in one place. Built-in collaboration. Your teams work together in a shared workspace. MarketProvider is used across industries. Retailers use it to manage thousands of SKUs across multiple marketplaces. Manufacturers distribute product specs to distributors and dealers. E-commerce brands sync updated content to web shops in real time. Distributors and wholesalers enrich product catalogs and share them with partners. PIM MarketProvider is the engine behind smarter product content. It saves time, reduces errors, and gives your business full control over your digital shelf. If you're looking to scale your product information and boost efficiency, this is your solution. Hit the like button and subscribe for more tech insights, and don't forget to turn on notifications. See you next time.